Hey everyone, today we will discuss unlocking the power of SEO, your guide to digital marketing success. In today's video, we are going to explore the critical importance of search engine optimization, commonly known as SEO. Ever wondered why SEO is a must-have for your business? Well, we've got you covered. Join us as we uncover the ins and outs of SEO and how it can revolutionize your online presence. The power of SEO. SEO is a powerhouse in the digital marketing realm. It is a strategy that not only helps you climb the rankings on search engines, but also significantly enhances the user experience on your website. This combination is what makes SEO such a vital marketing channel. SEO and your business. Picture this. You run your own business and you are looking for ways to boost your website's traffic. The answer is crystal clear: SEO. In today's digital landscape, nearly every website requires optimization to secure a spot on Google's coveted search engine result pages. The importance of search engines. Search engines hold immense significance. People are constantly using search engines to seek information, products, or services. They are looking for topics directly linked to your business, and this high-intent traffic can be an absolute goldmine. The complexity of Google's algorithm. The core of SEO lies in understanding Google's complex algorithm. Google continually refines how it ranks websites. It assesses content quality, relevance, backlinks, user engagement, website speed, and mobile friendliness. These factors collectively influence where your site appears in search results. The role of SEO in your website's success. SEO is your compass in navigating the intricacies of Google's algorithm. By optimizing your website for search engines, you increase the odds of securing a prominent position in search results. You don't need to be a search engine guru. You just need to follow established SEO best practices. SEO impact on traffic. The real magic of SEO lies in its ability to drive traffic to your website. It is not just about any traffic. It is about attracting the right audience, the kind of people actively seeking your products or services. This targeted traffic can be a game changer for your business. The ever-changing landscape. Google's algorithm is a dynamic entity. It is in a constant state of evolution, adapting to new trends and technologies. This means that the techniques that used to work a few years ago may not be as effective today. Staying on top of these changes is crucial for maintaining your online presence. SEO best practices. So, how can you conquer the world of SEO? We've got you covered. In upcoming videos, we will provide you with proven, repeatable, and the best SEO practices for optimizing your website. These strategies will not only improve your rankings, but also enhance your user experience, making you a trusted resource in your field. In conclusion, SEO is your secret weapon for boosting website visibility and attracting valuable traffic. Understanding the factors influencing search engine rankings and adopting best practices is the key to success. That is for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video, where I will introduce how to master SEO and explore its history. A step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you until the next one.